have to apply all of the rest things on the rest of the examples. So for example, in the afternoon, Alia is going skating with her friends, and Sulaiman is watching a football match. Let's write them. I will write them on the board. يعني مش خسران إشي. It's for your benefit. Here is it. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. What is Alia doing on Saturday afternoon? Is it in the afternoon? Yes. She is going skating with her friends. She is going skating with her friends. On Saturday afternoon. And next, number 6. What is Sulaiman? What is Sulaiman doing on Saturday afternoon? He is watching, right? He is watching. He is watching a football match on Saturday afternoon.